Hello everyone, welcome to Mikaal's FunVentures. Today we are going to make our very own volcano. We need some dishwasher, some vinegar, some baking soda and a spoon. Also some food color and some water. We put a cup inside this and it has a half cup of water. Now we will add 3 spoons of baking soda. Here we go. I have put already 3 spoons in here. Now we need to stir it. Now we'll put 3 drops of food color. Here we go. Now we need to stir it with soft hands. And a good squirt of washing up liquid. Now we'll stir it. Now, last and the final step, we need to put quarter of a cup of vinegar. Look at that. Still. See, it's erupting! Did you like the experiment?